Wow, completely frozen. This is BougeRV CRH portable refrigerator, and this changes everything when it comes to traveling and being able to have a refrigerator and a freezer for you. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Here is the battery. This is a 240 watt hour Life PO4 battery. Just open up this compartment right here. Here's the battery. You'll see you have the connectors on here. When you first get it, there's going to be a little orange thing covering the connectors in there. Take that out. This just slips in there just like this, and you'll see you've got the power right there. Go ahead and snap that shut and make sure all the areas are covered. Turn it on here, and you can do Celsius or Fahrenheit. I have it set to 40, and you can change it to whatever you want. And then this is going to change from max mode to eco mode, and you're ready to go. And portable and enough space for 2 people. So if you're traveling in your car, this is going to be perfect. All right, so here's the refrigerator. As you can see, it fits perfectly in between there. You still have access to your charging here with your DC cord. Now, I've got the battery in here. This will run off of both. Just to show you can still open this up. I have this set to 40 degrees. As far as for travel, you are ready to go. And if you need to adjust, you can even adjust it right here very easily. If you're looking for a portable refrigerator or freezer, take a look at the BougeRV portable refrigerator.